cute, magical, mentally unwell, but getting there. This is the vibe I'm migrating with into my new pink journal. Let's decorate my notebook cover and set up for September and hopefully not regret this. Hey fam, it's Icy of Icy Studio. This is my next journal. She is very pink and very cute. This is an Archer and Olive collaboration with Simply Gilded, which I got gifted years ago when I was in the Archer and Olive design team. I have been collecting a lot of stickers and have decorated my iPad with them. And this is something that I want to do with this journal, which I have not done before, so wish me luck. So for the main inspiration, I have these stickers from Stranger Tin, who is a Filipino artist, and I was very privileged to have seen her work in person at the Mellow Art Market in Sydney this year. And because I'm currently loving pink and purple, I have also selected stickers from my collection that have these colors and have a magical celestial vibe. So I am just arranging the stickers and trying not to overthink it, but I actually am. Anyway, how cute is this sticker, which is also by a Filipino artist called Dear Dare Dreamer. It says Eme, if you know, you know. I love it, so I'm gonna put it in the middle. Have you ever stuck stickers on a cloth-covered notebook? Let's see how I go. So anyway, I saw some iron-on patches at a market. I didn't think much about them until I got home and decided to use this pink journal. But then again, I really like these stickers. I know the vinyl ones will stick better than the regular stickers. I might need to use a notebook cover for this journal to keep the stickers in place. Low-key scared to accidentally peel off the stickers, but I will deal with it like the choices I make in my life. So anyway, let's fill up the small spaces. So in between these stickers, I will add some smaller ones. I absolutely love metallic stickers, so these add the perfect touch. Here is my journal cover. I am actually very happy with how it looks, but I'm kinda low-key worried about the stickers falling off in the near future. So for now, I will use this notebook cover to protect the stickers. Alright, let's start setting up. And as usual, I'm so scared to write on this page, so I will be skipping that for now. So first things first, I will be doing a yearly cover page. I actually haven't picked a pen yet, so I will be swatching my Sakura pen touch set on the very last page. I got gifted these pens when I was a featured artist last year, and I absolutely love how opaque the ink is. I thought I was gonna go with gold, but rose gold looks amazing. So anyway, I have actually been holding off using this notebook for so long because I felt that it didn't fit my aesthetic at the time, but here we are now and I am very excited. My current vibe, not that anyone is asking, is cute, magical, and mentally unwell, but getting there. So anyway, I am still loving Gothic lettering, so I will be carrying that over. Do you include different lettering styles in your journal? As much as I love drawing letters from scratch, sometimes I get lazy and I am on the hunt for Gothic lettering alphabet stamps, so let me know if you have any recommendations. Okay, so now let's decorate the yearly cover page with washi tapes. The vibe is cute, magical chaos, so I'm gonna go through pretty much all the washi tapes in my collection. I will be using pink, purple, black, white, and metallic colors, so let's manifest that on this yearly page. I was actually thinking of making a window, but I want to maximize every page out of this pink notebook, so no windows for now. Instead, I will just rip ends of the washi tape for that window effect. I'm switching the washi tape up for that cute chaotic effect because that's how my brain has been recently. Chaotic, but this is my journal, so I need to make it cute. Up next, I will be doing a mood board on the left side and a quotes page on the right side. So for the mood board, I will be using these Celestial stationery sheets, packs, and stickers. I've selected this black gold foil sheet of stationery as a base, and I will surround it with little Celestial stationery. So you can get these from IEB, and you feel free to use my affiliate code ICStudio10 for a 10% discount. So I will leave the links and the details in the description. I have been obsessed with everything celestial for a very long time, so I guess this has been my vibe and will be for a while. What about you? How would you describe your vibe? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Up next is my quotes page, which I will do in calligraphy. I love using brush pens, and this pen is my favorite fine tip brush pen ever. So my chosen quote is "Do more shh I like," because I haven't really been doing that this year. I just need a reminder that it is okay, that it is actually essential for my sanity to do things that I enjoy, like playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure or Tiny Bookstore on Switch. or read a book or color, that these things aren't just idle activities. I need a constant reminder that my brain needs a break from all the quote unquote productive things. Give this video a like if you agree with my sentiment. Another thing that I like is making junk journal or memory keeping spreads, so I aim to do more of those in these cute pink pages. Do you keep a junk journal? Sometimes I feel like my journal isn't really a bullet journal in a technical sense because I don't really use it to plan. I use it more for memory keeping and as a creative outlet. I guess everyone uses their journals differently. What about you? How do you use yours? So yeah, I am just decorating the quote page with stationery, stickers, and washi tape. I didn't really plan out the washi tape and sticker placement, so you'll see me constantly changing my mind and trying to be spontaneous and just have fun and not overthink things. But yeah, your girl is one huge overthinker. So these are my yearly pages. I am not including too many spreads, so in the past I would include so many yearly pages and not even look at them again. This time around, I'm keeping it simple and just going with a mood board and a quotes page. So now I will be setting up for September. I've got 3 monthly spreads and then the weekly pages all in Waterfall tabs format. So just writing the month in brush calligraphy on the left side of the page, so when I flip through the Waterfall tabs I can clearly see what month it is. This is how I orient myself, I guess. And on the very top I decided to write shenanigans and memories, and just below that will be the calendar. I personally don't really use this layout, but I wanted to do a photo calendar. I originally planned on doing 2 separate calendars for events and photos, but I didn't want to have to do 2 calendars, so I will try and do both on this page. And underneath my calendar is a small section for reminders. I was going to put to-do list, but I felt like the word reminders sounds more gentle. And below that, I am including a very small mood tracker. On the horizontal axis, I've written the 30 days of September, and on the vertical axis are the 3 moods that I'm going with. I really like seeing the ups and downs of my mood, so this tracker is my favorite. What's your favorite mood tracker layout? Up next is a spread divided into 3 sections, so one for a check-in, one for ideas, and another for things to look forward to. Because I feel like we all need something to feel excited about. And I hope you have a lot of things to look forward to. So anyway, let's now move on to our weekly spreads. I will be doing 1 page for every week of September, and I will divide the page into 3 sections. So one for things to do, another for notes, and a big space for weekly brain dumps or memories. And after the weekly pages, I included a check-in or review page to see how the month went. Now that my monthly and weekly pages are done, time for my favorite part, which is to work on the Waterfall tabs. So prior to finalizing everything, I've drafted everything in pencil and I've drawn lines where I am gonna cut them. And then after that, I'm going to grab some washi tapes to decorate the Waterfall tabs. So I didn't really have a final selection, so this is me trying out which ones I feel are the best. So have you tried Waterfall tabs? I absolutely love Waterfall tabs and Dutch doors, and I do them in almost all my setups. I actually have a tutorial video on how to do Dutch doors and Waterfall tabs, so I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. I highly recommend trying Dutch doors and Waterfall tabs because they are so fun. Now it's time to decorate these pages. Again, I don't have a solid plan, so I'm just gonna wing it. But I'll be using one of these purple gold foil celestial stationery sheets, which you can find on IEB. I love anything celestial with a touch of gold, so this one is perfect as the main stationery sheet for these pages. So this is my process of layering stationery and decorating my journal pages. You'll see how much of an overthinker and indecisive person I am because of how often I change my mind. One minute I'm sticking some washi tapes or stickers on one side and then I'm taking them off the next. I like how forgiving these washi tapes and stickers are, so as long as you peel them off gently and then replace them wherever you like. Are you the same, or am I the only one who does this? Please let me know that I'm not alone. Okay, so now for the final flip through of my September bullet journal setup. It is giving, I'm trying to be minimal, but let's make it maximal. So that's how chaotic my brain is. So anyway, if you've made it this far, thank you so much, and let me know by leaving a pink emoji in the comments. Here's to a mentee bee free September. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.